Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Bloxstrap settings. So if you also want to change Bloxstrap settings after installing, there will be simple steps you will be able to do it. In order to change the Bloxstrap settings, what you have to do is click on the menu icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. If you have installed the Bloxstrap recently, in the recently added section, you will be able to see the option for Bloxstrap menu. All you have to do is click on it. If you do not find this option, you can also search for it. Simply click on the search icon that you can see right over here. Now click on the search bar and type in Bloxstrap menu and simply open it. Now you can see over here Bloxstrap menu has been opened. You will be able to find several options here. You can adjust the settings according to your choice. You will be able to see the option for integrations, modes, fast flags, appearance, behavior, installation. In integration interface, you will be able to find several options for activity tracking, Discord's presence. Scroll down and you will be able to see more options. You can also go to the modes option, and here also you will be able to see several options. Adjust the option according to your choice. From here you will be able to change the Bloxstrap settings. You can also change the behavior. You can also change the appearance if you want. There are several options for settings. Change the Bloxstrap settings according to your choice. After you are satisfied with every settings, simply click on the save option you can see in the right over here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can change Bloxstrap settings. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.